Hey guys, this is Top Gun and we are back at the GUNN Development Lab with ComputerCraft. So today what we are going to do for this episode is loops, locals, and functions. And I know you guys should be about a little bit knowledgeable on the basics of ComputerCraft by now. If you haven't already seen any basic tutorials, go check them out. You can find them anywhere pretty much on YouTube. Anyways, so in the last episode we have covered my preview on my gun OS, and most of those things that you saw can actually be covered pretty easily. So let's go. We're gonna do loops for right now. So let's see if we have anything. Edit. Okay. Delete state loop. Here. OS. Okay, so let's go edit loops, and just for the heck of it, for, which is the beginning of a loop, you can do a for loop. For I to equals 1, then do 25 times, and that will do something 25 times for I to equal 1, or I equals 1. Anyways, so let's go, position equals 1, and, we'll go position, or print, and we'll go, position, right, and we'll go dot dot position. Because that is, right here is how you call on a variable, or, you know, something that you've made, or whatever. And then we'll say position equals position plus 1. So every time it goes through this, every once it goes through this, it will add 1 to position. And it won't start over the script, so that it will always be 1. So let's put a sleep in there, and then we'll go loops. So every 1 second it will post another position, it will print another position, and it will go all the way to 25. You can change that 25 to really whatever you want, if you would like. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then it stops. So let's go back to edit loop. Let's go back to loops, and let's say there are 2 variables that we want. Let's go position 2 equals, I don't know, 4, and we'll add 2 to it every time. And we'll go sorry about that. Anyways, so we'll go print position, or, yeah, position 2 is, and then we'll go position, and then we'll call position 2. And then for position 2, we will make it equal position 2 plus, I guess, 2, maybe 3. And then, you know, sleep for 1 second. And then we'll go loops, position 1, position 2 is 4, position 2, yeah, it's kind of hard to see what it's doing, but position 4, position 2 is 13, position 5, position 2, 16, position 6, position 2, 19. And it just keeps doing that until, you know, wherever it gets to. Okay, so 22, 23, 24, 25. There we go. Okay. And then let's go edit loops, and that's pretty much your basic for loop. So now, I'm gonna do a while loop. So if you want to say something's true, like, okay, so say, hello equals true, you know? And we'll go while, hello is equal to true, then, then, or, you know, whatever. While hello is equal to true, then, and we'll go, print hello, and, you know, sleep for 0.5 seconds, I guess, and then, position equals 1, you know, and then actually, we'll check this out, and, hello, or we'll go loops, edit loops, I see. Okay, so I'm guessing this is not supposed to be then, it's supposed to be do. And then we'll go loops. Yep, hello, 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 hello there, hello. Anyways, that will just keep on going forever and ever unless I stop it. So let's go. If you want to stop it at a certain point, you put in position and equals whatever number you want, you know. And then you'll go position equals position plus 1. Plus 1. Oh my god. So amazing. And then we'll go if position equals 5, then and we'll end it. We'll put an end. Then I guess break from the script, okay? And then it'll say print by, you know, whatever really. Loops. Oh, edit loops. What did I do? Oh no, something's wrong. If position is maybe we can do is equal to loops. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, yep, see? So it said hello 4 times. Hold on. Edit loops. I'm guessing you need to do it 1 more than it is. Oh, it's because I had position on 1 and it added 1 each time, and when it got to it added 4, right? And when it got to 5, okay, so you have to do that. And then you can do loops. There we go. Hello, 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 bye. And that's how you do a while loop, pretty much. And, edit loops. And that's pretty much, I guess, all there is for you to basically know, I guess, for loops. You can do tons of things with loops, though. Loops are pretty much things that just, check for, like username scripts, you know? Like, if username, like, if input is equals read, like, if input is supposed to equal what you said, you know? That's pretty much it. Anyways, so locals are things that keep one thing that you've made in its own script. So if you put local position equals 1, that means that you can only use it in this script, this one here. You know? And yeah, so if you do that, then you can also do local functions, maybe clear, local functions clear, and So let's try this out. If you try local, so this is also getting into local functions. Local function clear, term dot clear, you know, clears the screen, set cursor position, and on one, and then end, and then you go clear, you know, and you try to edit function, you know, try to do that in a different script. It shouldn't be able to do it because it does not have it in its own script. And if you do loops, then it will clear the screen as shown. Anyways, yeah. Okay, edit or delete functions. Edit loops. Anyways, that's pretty much it. You can also do functions where you can have them in totally different scripts, which is without the loop, and you can do term not clear, and pretty much a function is something you can refer on to later in the script. So if you do this, you go set cursor position 1 1, and you do end, and you do clear, you know, and then you do print like hello, and then you do sleep for, you know, 5 seconds, and then you do clear. It will work. It should work, at least. So it'll say hello, and then it'll clear. And then you can also do it in another script where it'll clear the screen, right? So ls delete functions. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can also do, I'm not very familiar with tables or anything, but you can also do local table, you know, local tables, and you can do, like, whatever you need to do, you know, maybe text, a string, and, or no, variable, and, Boolean value. A bool value. And you can keep that all in one script. Anyways, so that is pretty much it. If you need to know really any more, come check my next episode. It is going to be about, what is it going to be about? What is it going to be about? Not RedNet, because that should be a more advanced kind of thing. It is for me, I can tell you right now. In the next episode, I should be able to teach you guys how to do call keystrokes and make menus with arrow keys. So, like, either WASD or, you know, regular arrow keys. And it should be pretty helpful, even for, especially for OSs. I use that a lot in my OS. And I hope you guys learned something off it. So, bye!